Welcome to Managers Convention 2024.
Welcome to the 2024 Managers Convention team. Gear up to excellence, elevating customers' experience. Mga kapatid, our whole day event is not just a showcase of awards. It is a testament of our individual and team spirit, a relentless pursuit of growth, development, and of course, opportunity.
Sa loob ng 12 years, nandito pa rin ako kay Premium Bikes kasi naramdaman ko na pinapahalagahan nila ang empleyado kay Premium Bikes. Kaya maraming salamat.
Let's embrace the endless possibilities that lies ahead, for the best is yet to come. Mga kapatid, out of 124 sales leaders natin, we have 75 of them rose from the ranks. And I tell you now, that is the testament now of growth and development. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga sarili natin.
BMs po and store managers, dapat po tayo yung role model ng ating mga MAs, ating cashiers, mga technicians po natin, and mga parts custodian po natin. So as frontliners, yung moral values po natin dapat intact. We need to be honest to our customers and to our company.
Being competitive po kasi in life, 'di ba, sa totoong buhay, wala namang tayong libreng rewards, no? So kaya ako sumasagot kayo, nakikipag-compete ako sa inyo para may reward.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome, sales leaders and our distinguished guests. It is a pleasure to see all of you today, packed with energy and enthusiasm. This is not just another event, of course, but a celebration of our collective achievements, a proof of our hard work and relentless pursuit of excellence. As we embark on this journey together, let's take a moment to reflect on the milestones we have achieved. Each sale, each customer, each client relationship forged, each challenge that we overcome has contributed to where we are now.
We agreed to stretch our muscles to achieve excellence in everything we do to win more customers. Cheers to all the winners tonight, and all together we say, amazing!
I'm happy to be in front of you with all of you to celebrate your achievements. Indeed, tonight is a celebration of the commitment, hard work, and perseverance that all of you have put into bringing Premium Bikes to where it is today, a strong and growing motorcycle industry.
As one team, with a strong partnership with Honda and Premium Bikes, together with our dynamic branch managers, let us continue to provide joy and mobility and comfort to all Filipinos. And more importantly, to all the branch managers na nandito po ngayon, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Never cease to strive for excellence as you gear up accomplishing your goals this year. Again, thank you very much and more power to Premium Bikes.
Let us celebrate tonight with gratitude and with a deep sense of pride in all that we have accomplished together. Congratulations to all the awardees in advance. Maraming salamat po.
Ang role talaga natin in the scheme of things is to provide quality service. Now, how do we provide quality service? This starts from entertaining our customers, no? When they inquire via Facebook, whenever they send inquiries. So dapat ando doon nagsisimula yung ating customer service. Much more when they start walking in to our stores.
So, pag lumawak ang iyong pananaw, lumawak ang awareness mo, mas nakikita mo ng klaro yung buhay. Tulad po namin, kahit na wala po kami ng iba, naghahanap po kami ng way para magkaroon at para makuha namin yung goal po namin. Totoo yan! Hindi lahat patas, pero nagiging resourceful ka.
For the past 15 years, our exclusive financing partner was Robinsons Bank, now BPI. And we are excited to continue on with this journey with BPI.
It was also an activity na showing na BPI and Premium Bikes really works together.
Ang ganda, no? Napaka-life metaphor. Sabi nga ni Miss Connie kanina, lahat ng ginagawa ninyo affects Premium Bikes, affects your company. Pero alam nyo po, higit pa doon ang gusto kong tignan ninyo, affects you kung ano reputasyon mo.
Every year, we are trying to bring new improvements in our learning development by injecting effective trainings and targeted sessions for our sales leaders, the likes of Francis Kong, Chat Reyes, and the others. While this year, we tapped Karer Herrera because of her expertise and behavioral trainings that we believe is necessary to elevate our customer experience.
Never ko pong ginibag yung career ko as a branch manager, patuloy pa po gagalingan. And then, para mapatunayan po sa aking sarili, sa aking pamilya, at sa mga taong nangangailangan. Lalong-lalo na po sa mga customer po namin, sa mga customer na nangangailangan ng ating tulong. Na maibigay po namin yung kanilang pangangailangan.
Kamay. Tignan po ko nandiyan ang utak. Nandiyan naman. Pwede po ba tapikin ang tao sa kanan? Tanungin siya, ginagamit mo ba yan? Ayan. Itaas ang kaliwang kamay. Tapikin ang balikat ng tao sa kaliwa at sabihin, mukhang gamit na gamit naman ang utak mo. Turo ulit ang hinduturo sa taas. Ituro sa ulo ng katabi. Sabihin sa ayus-ayusin mo yung storya mo. Ituro sa sarili. Sabihin mo, aayusin ko storya ko.
From our end, we used to be Go Motorciclo Loan under Robinsons Bank. Now we are BPI Motorciclo rebranded, but we're really very excited and looking forward this 2024 and beyond for a stronger partnership with Premium Bikes.
That is your commitment, and that is my commitment as well. Okay? So let us work together as one team, as one PBC family.